So I just finished watching this movie, Life of Pi. This should have won the best picture of the year and not Argo. Argo is just full of crap. It's all about propaganda. It's all about American propaganda. That movie, Argo. But this one, Life of Pi, this is the real deal. The Oscars Best Director this year is Ang Lee. Ang Lee is the one who directed this movie. Hare Krishna to all of you. Hare Krishna. You might also wanna see these two movies right here. This one actually here is one of my favorite movies of all time. These two movies right here are all about Adolf Hitler during his final moments during the downfall of Nazi Germany in 1945. Very good movies. Make sure to watch this movie so you will learn something about history.